Welcome everybody to my ultimate guide to the Disney Dining Plan, September 2025 update. I just recently went to Disney World and I've learned a lot of new things about the Disney Dining Plan. This video focuses on Magic Kingdom, but I have ones coming out for each theme park and Disney Springs, so stay tuned for that. In this video, I'm going to show you every menu in person, give you my tips, all the things I learned. And the reason you want to see the menus in person is because you're going to look for this snack credit logo next to the items, and that means that these items are snack credit eligible. Some places you can't see online on the My Disney Experience app to see what qualifies as a snack, so that's a big deal. If you've been watching my other videos, you already know one of my favorite things to do on the Disney Dining Plan is to use a kids meal credit for a full adult meal at locations that don't have kids menus. You can do that. I'm happy to report as of this trip in September, everywhere on mobile order that doesn't have a kids menu allows you to use a kids meal credit for a full adult meal via mobile order. Before, some places would let you, some wouldn't. Then you would have to go in person and talk to them and say, hey, I want to use a kids meal credit for this. All right, without further ado, let's start at the popcorn cart right when you enter Magic Kingdom. And you can see the little purple and white logo next to popcorn bucket refill, popcorn, and cotton candy. Those are all snack credits. And then you can barely see it, but on the Mickey's Premium Ice Cream Bar and the Frozen Cup Lemonade, you can see it. And then the drinks, bottled water, smart water are all snack credits. Main Street Confectionery. All right, so they just told me in the confectionery, anything $8 and under is a snack credit. If it's over $8, it is not. I try to see if this one would work. Normally $19.99, but it's $9.99. Does not qualify as a snack credit. Later in my trip, I went to Port Orleans Riverside, and they had this there at the shop, and they did accept a snack credit for it. So keep an eye out at resorts. They might be able to have different things as snack credits. Port Orleans Riverside, this thing is a snack credit. That's what they told me. Only that counts as a snack credit. These don't. All right, let's go check out the Starbucks Main Street Bakery. Here at the Main Street Bakery, all the drinks, any size, with any extra shots or anything, is a snack credit, or you can do what I did. I used the kids meal credit for a sandwich and any drink. This worked at Epcot and Hollywood Studios and Magic Kingdom, but it was a little different at Animal Kingdom, and you couldn't use it at all at Disney Springs. The menus only show grande sizes and the prices, but you can get the venti, the Trenta, all that is included on the dining plan. In very little writing, you could see the customize any drink with all the additional stuff that's all included on the dining plan. Now on this trip, I try to save my snack credits for the Food and Wine Festival, so I used kids meal credits, and I got this amazing grilled cheese with tomato soup sandwich and their specialty pumpkin chai latte, which was amazing. For one kids meal credit, it was like $19 or some change if I would have paid for it. Amazing. So the sandwiches will be meal credits, but the snacky things like the cookies and the pops, the cake pops and all that stuff will be snack credits. When you first walk in, the sign with the cinnamon roll doesn't have the snack credit logo on it, but in the case it does, so it is a snack credit eligible item. All right, Plaza Ice Cream. Let's check this bad boy out. I think everything counts here as a snack. Ice cream, cookie sandwich. And specialty pumpkin sundae. Yeah, everything counts except the kitchen sink. All right, look at this thing. They said as many toppings as you want, it's all included as a snack credit. So I got vanilla, mint chocolate chip, brownie with peanut butter sauce on the side, chocolate sauce on the side, and a cone too. So moving on to Casey's Corner, this is one of the locations that doesn't have a kids menu. So I want to show you how I mobile ordered a full meal with a kids meal credit. And we're gonna get, I don't need to get the most expensive stuff here. I just want to get some mini corn dogs, upgraded for free, chili cheese fries, $2.50 additional, which should be free for me. I discovered that anywhere that has upgraded fries for your meal, even though it says it's an extra charge, it's not on the Disney dining plan. And here you can see I went to change dining plan options, and I'm changing it to use child's credit. One meal, review, and total 0 with one meal included purchase. Beautiful. All right, here is my kids meal. Kids credit. Chili cheese fries, no extra charge on the dining plan. Corn dog nuggets, frozen mint julep. And on another day, I used the snack credit for the chili cheese fries here because it's one of the best savory snack credit items you can get at Magic Kingdom. You know, one thing that is confusing that I want to clarify that will help a lot of people is if you go on the My Disney Experience app, I'm showing all the places to eat in Magic Kingdom right now. And for example, let's go to Aloha Isle. Now, this location doesn't have any meals, so you can't use any food credit meals on anything here. It's just snacks, right? So if you look at dining plan information, it'll say dining plan meals not accepted. This doesn't mean they don't accept the Disney dining plan. They do. They just don't have any meals, but you can use snack credits here. So don't let that confuse you into thinking locations that say this don't accept the dining plan at all. You can use your snack credits at this location. So I want to show you a few things. In person, I went and showed you, and I'm going to show you the places that are not on mobile order, so you can't easily see what you can get as a snack credit and what you can get as a meal credit. But places with mobile order, it's easy to see. So I want to show you one of the best places to use a snack credit, and actually a meal credit is pretty good here. Sleepy Hollow. So let's go down to Sleepy Hollow. Click on that. This takes mobile order. We'll go to order food, and I want to show you what you can get here. So if you see here, featured offerings, you have the two top items here: waffle with sweet and spicy maple chicken, $12.29, and the hand-dipped corn dog. Both of these are meal credits. They don't say anything that qualifies as a snack, like the third item says. Qualifies as a snack, the waffle, so you use a snack credit on this. You scroll down, one of the best snack credit uses in Magic Kingdom is this waffle with chocolate hazelnut spread, bananas, berries, and whipped cream. It says that qualifies as a snack. $9.49. That's a great value, right? So when you add this, you can use a snack credit on it. So, however, again, this is one of those locations that doesn't have a kids menu, so you can use your kids meal credit to get that hand-dipped corn dog with any drink, or the waffle with maple chicken. So this is the current menu here at Sleepy Hollow. Now, because again, you can see here, there's a few things that says qualifies as a snack, which means you can use a snack credit there. Obviously, you don't want to use it for the side of chocolate hazelnut spread that's only $1, you know. Let's go to Prince Eric's Village Market. Now, on the app, it says dining plan meals not accepted, but they do. I went in person and they did accept it. And this location doesn't have a kids menu. However, they wouldn't let me use a kids meal credit for anything here. An adult meal credit was required for the turkey leg. However, at Liberty Square Market, you can use a kids meal credit to get the turkey leg, but it just doesn't come with chips. And for your drink with the meal, you can get the Magic Potion Slushie or the other slushie if you'd like as well. Otherwise, those are snack credits. Let's go to the Adventureland Spring Roll Cart. Now this thing still is not a snack credit. You can't use a kids meal credit. It's an adult credit for spring rolls and a drink. I love the cheeseburger spring rolls, so I just pay out of pocket to get it once in my trip. Heading on over to the Friar's Nook. This is another location that if you go in person, they won't let you use a kids meal credit for an adult meal because they don't have a kids menu. But on the app now, it does work. Aunt Gravity's Galactic Goodies. Let's see. Yeah, everything is a snack credit, including the Sunday asteroid shake. Yeah. Joffrey's Revive. Snack credits. Mission to s'mores. And everything else. Specialties. Season. All snack credits. Alright, Energy Bites next to Tron. We got snack credits. And snack credits. At Gaston's Tavern, you can use a kid's meal credit to get a ham and guire sandwich and the LeFou's brew for your drink. Otherwise, the drink is a snack credit without the souvenir stein. At Westward Ho, during breakfast time, they have the Mickey-shaped bacon pecan cinnamon roll and a sandwich and the candied bacon, but none of those are snack credits. They are meal credits. However, you can also use the kids' meal credit for that. During lunch and dinner, they just have the candied bacon and the jalapeno poppers. The jalapeno poppers are snack credit eligible, but again, the candied bacon are meal credits. At Aloha Isle, the Tropical Serenade float is still not snack credit eligible, but everything else is, including that specialty mango float. So that brings us completing the Magic Kingdom portion of the Disney Dining Plan tips and quick service meals and everything. There are a few other places that I didn't go to that I haven't changed. You'll see it in my playlist of Disney Dining Plan. From my other videos, you could see all the details, and you could easily see their menus on the Disney Experience app, and there's no changes to note. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and look forward to the other theme parks in Disney Springs in my following videos. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.